Listen, Latafa perfume, the Arabic perfumes from Latafa, they were not playing with packaging. They were not playing with packaging. When you say packaging, 8. Nam. They were not playing with packaging. And the thing about it is that they're Euro de perfume. So it's not no alcohol business, no strong alcohol business, long lasting. Anyways, look at the boxing. Beautiful. This one is a lot of a Pride. I don't know if it's clear. All right. Now, I tried them before for my YouTube, and I'm trying them now for TikTok. Look how you put. Hold on. Let me put it back. Let me show you how you pull it out, baby. There's a strip right here, and you pull it out like that. What? Okay. And then the next thing is the package. Let me open it up for you. There's this on it. So the booklet. Look how cute that is. Excuse me. Look how cute that is, baby. The bottle is beautiful. The velvet on the inside to hold it. The bottle is like a green gold mix. Beautiful bottle. This I'm gonna say is unisex. Unisex. It's like spicy but floral. I sprayed it on earlier. This is sexy. And the price point is ridiculous. It's not expensive. It's not that expensive like a Chanel or a YSL. Look at it. Baby. It smells really good. It can work for men and for women. I want to take a little video to show you. I'm quickly going through them. Okay, a bit of the start of the TikTok. But this is how it looks. Definitely unisex. Definitely spicy, a bit floral. Men wear it. And the girls will be coming for you, men. The girls will be coming for you. Women wear it, and the men that are confident in themselves